Okay, welcome back. I've just finished some modifications on the mill and got rid of the Chinese junk motors. You can see I've got an Aerotech 1135, which is one of their 1000 DC motors. I've got that on the Y-axis. Got it over here on the Z-axis, or excuse me, the X-axis, and also fit it to the Z-axis up there. You can hear it pulsing a little bit. Haven't quite got done with all the motor tuning. So, on the recommendation of a friend, I am doing some repeatability testing on the axes based on different movements, trying to get some run out and get to the table to do some different stuff. So right now I have a dial indicator set up on the X-axis, just kind of riding up against the curve here, and you can see that the indicator is sitting on 0. So I've done movement in all three axes, and I've done it using just normal feed rates from 10 all the way up to 60 inches per minute. So now I'm going to do rapids based on, as I mentioned, the challenge from a friend. So let's hit the go button. Now we're back in doing 3 axes, coordinated movement. Not a lot, a little. Alright, let's see how we did. Hey, look at that. Looking pretty good. That's a thousandth of an inch dial indicator, even if it is cheap. Pretty happy with that result. See ya.